Hello, this is going to be a quick video just to show you how to replace the brake pads on a Sierra or Silverado 2011 to 2014. The brake pads are different than the 1500 models. This is for GMC trucks, heavy duty 2500 or 3500, either diesel or gas. This is for the diesel version 2500 2012 Sierra. This is the brake pads you need, just in case you want to buy them. These are cheap and they're good brand. They're not Chinese or anything like that, but this is to replace the brake pads. So I'll show you an overview quickly how to do it, because there's no videos on YouTube on how to do it, because these were ready to be due and they're kind of scratching the rotor. I'm the south, so I don't have a lot of rust. This is just surface rust, which I'm gonna clean with some parts cleaning and then paint it off black, all these, so it's kept out of rust. And the tool you're gonna need is, of course, the 7/8 to remove the lug nuts. I just put them back so I don't lose them. And I just wanted to clarify what you need right here. Right here, GM really messed up, because you need heavy tools for this. You're gonna need the hex H10 to remove the rotor, not rotors, the brake assembly right here. But this one you can't even fit it. See, there's no way you can fit it for this one, because there's a plastic tab right here that is like this one. I already did it for the bottom one. For this one, let me focus right here. So for this one, you insert it into here. Let's get it. Okay. And then you remove it. There's a plastic cover, dust cover, which you take off with a flat head and then do this. But it would be great if GM thought about doing this like any other vehicle. I had a Sierra 2008 and 1500 version, which was easier to do, but this one you can't. You have to remove the whole caliper, which is this one. But here you're gonna have to use also a wrench. Oh, I dropped my socket. 1 second. Because you need a 21 millimeter metric to remove the caliper right here. But guess what? It doesn't even fit because of the space. I tried a 3/8 short shallow socket, but I broke the ratchet, because these are heavy duty and these are thick heavy bolts. They have thread lock in it. So what you are stuck with, it's easier to remove the bottom one. I already got it right there. I saved it. The bottom one is here. So this one is easier with an impact. You have to use heavy impacts, because if you use the standard, you're not gonna get it. Or ratchets, but that's way too hard. Okay, anyways, so the problem with this one is you have to use a 21 millimeter wrench. I had to go buy one, because I only had 20 and 22 in my standard sets. So you have to go get this one, whatever brand you want. This is just Harbor Freight, cheap. These have what, lifetime warranty, whatever. So you have to put it in between here, because GM was so brilliant to not have enough space for us to do the brake jobs, which is right there. Okay, so, and this one was so tight, it was almost impossible for me to do leverage in here. I had to get another wrench and put it in here, or maybe like a leverage, but there was not really space. What I did is got a piece of lumber, a 2x4, and put it about this height with some clearance, and kind of sticked it into here and did some leverage down, and that way I managed to unlock this. So you gotta play what you have, but you are gonna need some heavy tools, that's for sure. Okay, so now with these loose, I already turn a couple turns and see how tight it is, and I'm a big man, because there's no way you can put a socket here. So this one is kind of tight, but anyway, this is a way just to show you. Okay, it takes a lot of effort. I'm almost done. So yeah, what you're gonna do is take off the whole assembly, pull it out top it up with some hammer or something, watch out with lines, of course. And then I'm gonna get my 10 mil. I'm sorry, my 10 hex. This is 3/8. I got on that because these little the wall won't make it. These are too heavy duty, and if you're in the north, they're gonna be way rusted and everything. But I'm in the south, anyways. I got an adapter for the for the 1/2 inch. Oh, a beast! This is a very great impact to do work on a truck. Anyways, so after you pull this out, you're gonna go on the back. Well, I'm gonna flip it, of course, so I can manage easier. I'm gonna go with the impact and get those H10 10 millimeter out, so I can take this assembly, only the piece where the brake pads are, and then you're gonna replace and do whatever you have to do. Okay, so this is just to show you that GM really messed up, and you're gonna need some heavy tools to remove the caliper disassembly. You gotta take it out because there's no way or no space, even not for this one nor for this one, to put a socket and do it quickly. But anyway, please thumbs up. This is a quick video. I'm almost done. Thanks to GM, I'm having a little more trouble than usual, but this is just to show you guys, give you a heads up before you even start. Thank you. Please like the video. Thanks.